Hey guys, welcome back to Pentest Tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide text secrets inside text using a couple of methods. The first one is using Steghide. Steghide is a program for concealing messages in text files by appending tabs and spaces on the end of lines, and for extracting messages from files containing hidden messages. Tabs and spaces are invisible to most text viewers, hence the steganographic nature of this encoding scheme. First, let's install Steghide. Once it is finished installing, let's check the help options. -F is for the input text file. -M is for the string which will be concealed in the input text file. Let's open a file using Vim, which will be used as an input text file, and type some stuff in it. Then, let's run Steghide on this file, adding a hidden message to it. After that, we can check the contents of the file. We will find the added spaces and tabs. To see the hidden text, we will use the -C option on the file with the added tabs and spaces. The second method is by using invisible zero-width characters to hide text in plain sight. The zero-width space, abbreviated ZWSP, is a non-printing character used in computerized typesetting to indicate word boundaries to text processing systems when using scripts that do not use explicit spacing. Enter a public message, then a private message. And then click the button to hide your private message within your public message. If you've received a public message, you can reveal the private message here as well. However, one problem with the online method is that we have to trust that the website isn't saving these messages or doing anything. Luckily, the source code is provided for Steganography, so we can simply copy it and host it on our own website if we want to go the extra mile. Additionally, the source code allows us to edit it. The most useful thing to edit is which characters are used to represent spaces, zeros, and ones in our zero-width binary. To make the change, look for the bin2 hidden and hidden2 bin definitions. We just need to change the hex values to the new characters we want. Thank you for watching.